Yeah, me too.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video I'm gonna be playing Animal Company Mining.
I'm Sigma. I was giving these Sigma. Let's have OT. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. So who owns a venture book
I gave him all
bag?
these pickaxes, so yeah, I'm like the most important person in this team.
No one take my stuff.
You own a
This is
venture
all
book
my
bag?
stuff.
You
I
own
wanna
a
take
venture
your
book bag?
No one take my stuff.
Guys,
Bro, that's all you got? Oh, never mind, he's rich.
Plug.
That's all. Oh, blur. Don't touch it.
No one take my stuff. No one take my stuff.
Away.
So what we
it's
need?
running away.
Rockets are rolling away.
We need
That's all.
for this
You're gonna. Oh, you're gonna grab it.
book bag.
God, when will we board? When will we get board?
We're going to need
Did you just
one,
with that?
two,
You have two. I need two. I need
three.
A lot.
Yeah.
and then
I can buy revolver ammo if you
we
want
need
me.
some of this for some food.
Bro, need some food.
And then for weapons,
Sigma.
I need cobalt. I'm gonna bring an extra cobalt too. What you putting there?
Yeah, I'll do that.
I'm ready to got my stuff on my step back.
Spider-Man kid. Spider-Man.
Wait, guys.
I didn't get my name. Hold up.
Everybody.
Why did they teleport me?
Everybody, okay. Everybody, grab a teleporter. Grab a teleporter and put it in here.
No, we're not going to. I don't want to go back to the underworld. Hades does not like me because I beat him in a game of chess.
Let's go.
Hold on. I need to
I
grab a
go there every
teleporter.
weekend.
We're
don't
gonna go
teleport.
We're gonna go to the mines.
No, we're gonna go to the lava area. Okay, guys.
Teleporter?
Guys, grab a teleporter so you can put the teleporter in here. And then when I'm out, if you wanna come out, then I'm gonna take my book bag and dump it out. Then you can come out, okay?
I got 20 of them in my backpack.
Alright. So,
Guys, let's go to the
I got fish too. I got fish. I can work life.
alright, can I get one?
Oh yeah, I only have one.
Good.
But you want a rope gun? I can grab my rope gun out and like shoot ropes, so you can go back and forwards.
Guys, do you want to go
What?
to the lava map? You want to go to the
Yeah,
lava
we're
map?
going. Let's go. Come
Yeah, I
on.
know
Yeah.
I know what's the quicker way. There's a hole somewhere.
I know the quickest way over here. I know the quicker way. It's over here.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna use my rockets.
Hey, so. Wait, no. Hold up. This it might be better. It's
I'm gonna use
perfect.
teleporters.
Hold on.
Let's take my stuff. I have a lot of stuff.
I know. Dang, you have a lot of stuff.
Bam.
You need help putting them in? You need help putting them in? I'll
Yeah.
put them in.
I need
Okay.
2.
Okay, put my backpack.
Guys.
This. Another cobalt.
Hey guys, you want to see something cool?
That's
No,
I'm gonna sip it on landmine. I'm just kidding, I won't.
You will, but I'm literally gonna
Rocket.
hunt you down forever.
Can I get my rocket?
Here.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Hold up. Okay, let's go. Where are we?
We're coming down now.
Yeah, are we gonna hunt a mansion?
Watch out. Oh no, we're gonna go to the lava area. Watch out with the mines.
There's a yeah, somewhere. I'm under you. Where?
This is my first Animal Company video. Mine dying? Yeah.
I'm you, mom. I am your mom. Who are you? Go, mama.
Watch out with the ogre. Guys, over here, right here, behind. Yo, behind you. Right here. Behind the rock.
Well, I can look. Oh no.
Yo.
I'm about there.
Oh, damn it.
I see you.
Haunted Mansion
Okay, turn on to the
map.
rock.
I see Haunted Mansion
Inside the rock.
map. I see the Haunted Mansion map.
What?
Go
Over
to
here.
the Haunted
No,
Mansion
you have
map.
to go behind the tree, like go directly behind the tree. And now go over there to him. Okay, now come here.
Guys, look, Haunted Mansion is there somewhere. It's right there.
What the heck is
That's the
that?
that's the lava. That's the lava area. That's the lava area. The mining.
Don't you know?
Hey, go down and do the thing. Aim towards it with the rocket. Yeah. By the way, don't die.
Forgot my walker.
Already? You know what? Screw this. Go back.
What is this map?
Screw this. Guys, I'm about to return because I'm already getting aimed at.
How do you return?
The big red thing with is like goopy. Yo, I see somebody going to the red thing. I'm right here. I'm raising my hand. Yo. Yo. Elf hat.
How do you return?
Just go inside the red thing.
What, the red big portal thing is?
Yes. Yo, I see you. I hear you.
What? Bro, under the lava.
I'm under the lava. Yo, I'm under the lava. But I'm under the lava. Guys, I'm under the lava right now.
Guys, how?
I don't know, I just did a glitch. I'm not dying.
Listen, bro. I'm reporting you to the Discord. No.
Alright, cool. Oh. Yo, items don't despawn.
I'm back to spawn. You need to board for stuff. Or I can come back.
Today's video we're gonna be telling M-A-R-E.
I'm coming back.
Alright, let's got one more.
Keep up. I'm not fast.
Wait. No, screw that rocket. Another one. Guys, I'm going to be returning back to the base.
Come. I'm still at the round 2, bro.
I should never left that lava. I'm going back, like, to the regular area.
You're back to round 2, guys. Round 2. I can read it.
I am dead. I am dead, bro. Somebody, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. I'm low health. You got M-O-E? You got food for me? Yo, I am low health. I'm going to die. Right.
Just jump.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna spectate them.
Just jump.
I'm getting targeted. I'm going back now.
Good.
Yo, I just died. I know that my items are planted it.
Okay, wait. What's the others?
They're still in there. Green, I seen you. I was spectating you. You got targeted.
Wait for me.
I'm going to achieve my items. The ogre's only I'm so lonely. What's that though? Wow.
Yo, I got a strategy. Got a strat. I'm bread. I got a snow.
Put back.
Coming back for me.
I'm going back to the area to get some food. Alright, go down.
I can't get a single crystal.
I'm back.
I cannot get a single crystal, bro.
Well, me neither.
I tried.
I'm getting food right now. For me. You need some food?
I own that too. I just died. What if I could put this right here when it's open?
I'm going to get mad food, bro. Wait, that should be enough.
Umbrella.
Gadgets.
Is this one? Do you think he's okay?
Wait, can you look at that, yo, dude, you look, Blue, turn around, look.
I know, umbrella. I can. Here, take this one.
Someone's trying to be disabled.
I'm just gonna grab a pickaxe. Okay.
How do you get pickaxes?
Just gonna grab a pickaxe and I'm gonna go back down there. I'll see you later.
How do you put a umbrella to your body? How do you put an umbrella to your body? Yo, how do you put umbrellas to connect with to your body?
Ace of the Spider-Verse? Very Mysterio? Yeah. Right there next to me, Spider.
Is anybody here still?
Yeah.
Alright, just making sure. I spended 2K just to get some items, bro. 2K coins. Oh, nuts. I'm just going to like shove my stuff.
Justin Bieber? Lost him?
I somehow got on top of the map.
Go. Oh, wait, that's actually Toby. That's Toby.
I'm going to put my items inside the thing. I got literally bananas.
I out of the.
I died again, but this time I found a.
Dang, that was not good, bro. You should think about wasting them.
I got 54K still.
How'd you get that? Can you teach me?
Look, see?
Yeah, no, can you
I
teach
said,
me?
see, look.
Can you teach me? Let's go to Haunted Mansion.
I'm scared of Haunted Mansion because it's haunted. Wait, dude, yo, dude.
Yeah. You love taking cameras. You look at all the
What's the camera
cameras.
for?
for girls. Come. You need to have a rocket, bro.
Hey guys, watching another video. Today's video, I'm going to be playing the Haunted Mansion.
Do you got enough to afford the pickaxe? You got enough to afford the pickaxe?
Hold on, I'm gonna see how much do I get just for this camera photos.
Hey! Wait! No! No! My house! Why?
What?
Goku.
Got 3!
That's 2.
4!
Alright, fill it again.
I'm gonna sell it myself.
I have this barbecue shit work better. Come on. Not even a penny. Yeah, we're not selling it again, bro. Sell it again. Guys, look, bro, look. Put that. Tell it all. Do it one more time. You will like.
Yo, come here, follow me, follow me. Yo, let's press these buttons.
Yeah. You press it first.
No, come on, let's press these buttons, come on.
You press it first. We're playing Russian roulette. See? No, but you do. Okay, I'll press one button. You press one. Yeah.
Well, come
That's
on.
it, okay.
Stop being scared.
Okay. You press down. Press.
Just
Damn it.
Yeah, I find him in my bag. Yeah, that's so good. Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna see how much.
I need that. Bro, are you hungry, boy?
Yeah, I'm gonna see how much do I sell now myself.
Bro, I need to eat myself.
Let me see how much do I sell. I'm gonna go inside. Yo, sell me. How much do I sell?
Yeah. Bro, you're at
18.
Wait, what? Bro, it costs $70. Damn, it costs like a lot.
Huh?
$70 for me.
I'm worth $19, man.
It said for me 100 million.
Well, I'm worth $19, bro. I'm just Sigma.
Wait, but you're Ligma. You're Ligma. Ha ha! Come on, boys.
I think that's enough animal.
Okay, today we're gonna make a fireworks show. Whee!
Yo, there's 3 people still in the lava area. Well, how are you guys doing with the stuff?
I'm actually doing quite well.
Okay, come back.
The thing is,
Come back!
Yo, dude,
Oh,
I'm in the area, bro.
this
I kept on dying, so I'm just stuck in the. I'm just with the normal area.
Hey, eat this, bro. Eat
I
this. You want-
spent
eat
3K
this.
bucks.
Eat this.
Eat it?
This. Yeah. No! Bro, you're not even that. No,
I
you're not.
accidentally killed myself.
Did you laugh at me?
Did you just laugh at me? Who just laughed at me?
Did you laugh at me?
Get over here, boy!
Yo, I'm gonna end the video.
I'm gonna make you die the same way I did.
You're best.
If you guys enjoyed this funny video, like, subscribe. If you want more Animal Company videos, just comment down below. Why is my mouth so open?
Ah!
Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video,
Skibbity, Sigma, you should subscribe to this guy. Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity.
What's your pack? Eat my shorts. Guys, guess what?
What?
Guys, I'm gonna jump on my bed.
Yeah.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want more Animal Company videos, please comment down below or like this video. If you want these random people on Man Publix in lobby. Yo, you good? What are you?
Your name!
Yeah, I'm gonna flashbang him.
Your name.
Yo, what's better than 2 bombs? Both of
7.
these.
What? Oh my gosh, wait.
Which one's gonna explode first?
Ow. What, did he die?
Oh yeah, and the movie comes out today. The movie comes out today.
I don't think he died.
I forgot about
Are you
that.
dead? You're muted.
Alright, you gotta subscribe. This is my 3rd time saying it. I'm just bored.
Wait, before you go, I need a fart.
Everything I do.
that lame?
Step on it.
Tupac. I saw Tupac. That was like.
Wait, you come here. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
I didn't wake up. That
Yo, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. This is for the end of the video. Come here.
What?
Come here. Over here. Okay, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Why don't we put a nuke inside the minefield?
I don't know.
Yippee! I love jumping in random pieces of water. There's probably no monsters. There's probably lots of
Now
monsters.
from the end of the video, you're gonna have to launch all the way over the space. Any last? Wait, this one too. Don't go yet. Don't go yet.
I only have one.
Do this one too. This
Hand.
right here.
I only have one hand.
What is that other hand for?
It's broke.
Well, we're both gonna go at the same time. Okay. Any last
3,
words?
2.
Hold on. Any last words?
Pee pee poo poo pee pee. Sigma 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 boy Sigma boy Sigma
Go.
boy. Let's go already.
Where you go? You gonna enjoy this video? Am I still falling? Oh, I can still expect it.
What's your YouTube channel name? I'm definitely subscribing.
It's Sonic_edits video. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If I still see my Animal Company, I'll probably Okay. If I'm doing if Come here, come here, come to me, come to me, come to me. No, come here. When is it gonna detonate and when is it gonna detonate? Stay here. Come here.
I want this one. I want to hold one. Can I hold one?
Yeah. Hold one. I guess both of them detonated. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's sewers. That's sewers. God. Alright.
Boy, Lightning McQueen.
Oh my God. Okay. You literally made me sit down in your life. You made me sit down in your life. I'm dying laughing right now.
I sat down and we like, bing, bing, bing.
Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want me to bring him back, by that, if I ever see him online. Okay. Like and subscribe. That's all for today. Peace.
Don't listen to him. Listen to me. Wait, why is my
Wait.
mouth so open?
Wait, are you trying to be despicable? Are you trying to do Despicable Me?
Despicable Me.
That's so despicable. Alright, like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Brother,